In today's video, I'm going to show you a neat trick that you can implement in your animations to give your characters some more life and add some personality, so stay tuned. Hey guys, my name is Eon and welcome to my Start Animating YouTube channel, the channel that is specifically aimed at everyone that is new to animation. And if that is you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also click on that little notification bell so that you can get notified every week when I upload a brand new video. And just a quick advert before we get started. Currently I've got my Black Friday promotions running, yes, already, and it is because my YouTube channel reached 3,000 subscribers, and I thought, you know what, to celebrate, let's make Black Friday not just one day or one weekend, we make it 3 weeks. So currently my everything on my website is 50% off. As well, all the bundles is 60% off. So if you are interested in my begin animation course, so if you want to start out in animation and you want to learn all the basics and fundamentals, that course is now available at 50%. So that is a great time to grab that course. So in the description box below there's a link, so just click there. Now today I'm going to show you how to add more life to your characters in your animation. And the reason I'm doing this is something that I see a lot with animators that's starting out, especially those using Cartoon Animator. There's a trap that we all fall into, and I want to show you guys what I mean and how to avoid it and how to make your animations better. Okay, so here in Cartoon Animator, what I did is I took this character, I've just recorded my voice saying something, and then I've applied it onto the character, and then I created 3 different animations, and then I'll show you what do I mean and why the final one is so much better, and that is the one you guys need to implement in your animation. So the first one is just this character, and he's just standing still. Now I've seen a lot of animations where the characters they're just standing still when they talk. They don't move. And remember, one of the best things you can do to make your animations better, and that is what today's video is actually all about, is to add body language. Okay, so when your character talk, let his body talk with him. Okay, so that is extremely important. If you implement that, your animations will immediately look so much better. So when you animate, add body language. Okay, so for example, if we look at this character, yes, that is awesome. Okay, so you can see only his mouth move, and there's no body movement, there's no body language, so his body doesn't show the excitement that comes with that dialogue, because the dialogue is, yes, that is awesome, so he's excited, but his body isn't showing it. So you want to add some body language, body animation to this character. Okay, so let's just have a look again before we move over to the next character. Yes, that is awesome. Now you'll agree with me that looks very boring. Okay, and so let's move to the next character. Okay, so and this is where we all fall into a trap if we use Cartoon Animator, is we are just dragging motions on top of your character, and there is like talking motions, and yeah, we just drag that on top of the character, and we think, okay, now there's some body movement, my character doesn't look static, and yes, it does look a little bit better than the first example, but it looks off, something doesn't look right. So let's have a look at this character now. Yes, that is awesome. Now you'll agree with me that looks better. Okay, it doesn't look static, it doesn't look boring, but I think you'll also agree with me it doesn't look right, something looks off. The reason for that is not how we move when we're excited. Okay, so we want to add body language that suits the dialogue. The body must move along with what the character is saying. Okay, let's just have one final look.
Yes, that is awesome.
Okay, so you'll agree with me, it looks better, but it doesn't look right. Something looks off. Now let's compare the first two and you'll see, yes, the second one does look much better.
Yes, that is awesome.
So yeah, if we compare those two, the second one does look better, but it still doesn't look the way it should. So the final one is one that I've animated myself, but I didn't spend a lot of time. This is just a quick animation just for the purpose of this video, and you'll already see, even though this animation isn't perfect, it isn't polished, it already looks way better than the first two examples. And the reason for that is I've seen what can I do with his body that will add to the dialogue, add to what he's saying. So if we press play now,
yes, that is awesome.
And I think you'll agree with me, that fits what he is saying. So he goes with his one arm. Yes, that is awesome. So I'm using his body to add to what he is saying. So if we go back,
yes, that is awesome.
So that fits much better. Yes, it needs some fine tuning. The timing isn't 100%. I've just created this animation, just a short animation for the purpose of this video. But let's compare it to that first one.
Yes, that is awesome.
I'm sure you'll agree with me, that looks way better. Let's compare it to the second one.
Yes, that is awesome.
And I'm sure you'll agree with me, it looks better than the second one as well. Even if the animation isn't even polished, it already looks so much better. It adds to the character. That character looks excited. Let's compare all three together.
Yes, that is awesome.
And I'm sure you'll agree with me, the final one looks so much better. So basically what you want to do is, when you animate your characters, use body language, but not just any body language, not just motions drag on top of your character. Make the body language add to the dialogue. So if he's excited, let the body show he's excited. When he's tired, let his body hang and walk. So use body language to add to your characters, but let the body language fit the dialogue. It should be complementary. It should add to the dialogue. That way you will really add to your character. Your character will have more personality, more emotion, and you will sell your story so much better. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are, and remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed, and also click on that notification bell so that you can get notified every week when I upload a brand new video. And if you are new to animation, you want to learn animation, remember I've got my promo currently running, or my Black Friday, so 50% off my begin animation course, and it's 50% off on everything on my online course, and then also 60% off on all the bundles. So if you are interested, in the description box below there's a link, just click there. So guys, that is it for me. I will see you guys next week with another video. So God bless and happy animating.